Assalamu alaikum, what's up guys? Hopefully you are all fine. So today I'm back with another interesting video. This video is going to be interesting as I have purchased a product that is Adivasi Herbal Hair Oil directly from the seller, that is the Adivasi Hakki Pikki community from Mysore. So I don't know the authenticity of this particular product, but let's unpack it and see whether it's a genuine product or not. And regarding the price, it is 14.99 only. So let's see whether it is the product that they are claiming to be genuine or it's a fake or counterfeit product. So let's unpack it. So let's open it up and see whether this is the genuine product or not. The initial impression of this particular bottle are quite good. The bottle seems to be very sturdy, and like the persons who are claiming on internet that the bottle you are going to receive should have the yellow cap, so this does have the yellow cap. So the first thing that I am seeing is positive, and the second thing, they are claiming that if you are going to shake this bottle, you are going to see a lot of herbs inside it. I'm not sure whether you are seeing it right now, but with my naked eye I'm seeing small herbs inside it. I'm not sure about the authenticity of this product, but I will let you know soon about the authenticity, whether it's a counterfeit product or the authentic one. So I will keep you updated, and for that you have to subscribe to my channel for the updates there, and I will let you know because the company is claiming that your hair are gonna grow stronger and thicker and 3 to 4 inches long in a month, and if you are going to use it for 3 months. So this is for the person who are actually worried about their hair fall and all the hair problem. So this is gonna be the best product, but I am not still sure about the authenticity of it. I will apply this oil and I will let you know. So on top of this bottle a bit of instructions are written, like apply daily for 5 days, keep it at night and wash it in the morning, use thrice a week, then hair grows stronger and thicker, and 3 to 4 inches in a month, use for 3 months. And the address I will let you note it down, so you can note down the numbers that are mentioned here. So it is mentioned first, Pakshi Rajpura, Hunsar, Mysore district, Karnataka, India. So from the initial impressions, it seems to be the original product, but I am not sure about it. I will let you know. If you are still confused where I have purchased this particular product, then let me tell you, I have purchased it after a lot of research on internet. And if you still want the links of this particular product, then I will suggest you to visit Sana Khan's channel on YouTube and watch her latest video, and she has been sponsored for this particular product, and I got the links from her channel. So that's it for now guys, hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and be blessed always.